Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet without a blender. First, gather your fruit, sugar, and water. You'll need about 2 cups of fruit for a good batch. Combine these ingredients in a saucepan and gently heat them until the sugar fully dissolves. This creates a flavorful syrup that is the base for your sorbet. Let the mixture cool completely before moving to the next step. Once your fruit mixture is cool, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A metal pan works wonderfully as it helps the mixture freeze more evenly. Ensure the liquid layer is not too thick, ideally around 1 inch deep, to speed up the freezing process. This shallow depth is key for achieving that perfect sorbet consistency without needing a blender. After the initial freeze, take your container out and use a fork to scrape and stir the partially frozen edges into the center. Return it to the freezer. Repeat this stirring process every 30 to 45 minutes for about 2 to 3 hours. This consistent stirring prevents large ice crystals from forming, which is crucial for a smooth, scoopable sorbet without a blender. Once your sorbet reaches a firm, yet scoopable consistency, it's ready to enjoy. You might need to let it sit out for a few minutes to soften slightly before serving. Scoop it into chilled bowls and perhaps add a fresh berry or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. This easy, no-blender method truly delivers a delightful frozen treat. Don't forget to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.